If you want to see why PermTrack is the #1 selling track for Govee, Eufy, Asahom, and Enbrighten, sold in all 50 states and in Canada, why our DIYers love it, why installers love it, and why we offer a lifetime warranty on it, this video is for you. When I got the request 4 years ago to do my first install for Govee permanent outdoor lights, I had no idea that we would be doing 6 figures plus a year in installs and over $1 million a year in tracks from coast to coast. And there is one thing that I did know. I did know that there's got to be a better way. I didn't like the exposed wires. I said, you know, this isn't really what I'd want on my home. So I got to work in my garage, started testing different tracks, looking at materials, trying to find the best thing that would work for DIYers and installers, and that's how we arrived at PermTrack. First, I tried Amazon Raceways. A couple problems is, one, there's not any that are big enough for the connectors to fit in, and as you can see, that's never going to last on a home. So then we looked at what the distributor brands like Jellyfish or Trimlight are doing, and they're using a metal track. And if you don't know, metal is very difficult to work with. You got to use tin snips. It can be a little dangerous to cut you if you're not familiar with how to work with metal. And it's just not real conducive to working on a ladder with. It's longer pieces and whatnot. And so that's how I arrived at the PermTrack material, which is rigid PVC, not plastic, common misconception. And rigid PVC is very firm, but also pliable enough to work with, to cut while you're on a ladder, customized for the home to create a truly customized look. I also really liked the low profile, just big enough for the connectors to fit inside, but could still blend in like trim work on the home. So that was the first goal, is to create the best product that's conducive for DIYers and installers, that's going to last 60 years plus on a home, which is why we give it a lifetime warranty. So now in 2026, I'm on a new mission to help DIYers and installers both accomplish their goals with their permanent outdoor light setup, share all the knowledge that I've gained and why we use PermTrack to achieve that goal. So whether you are a DIYer planning to tackle your permanent light install yourself, or you are a permanent light installer, a home service business that's adding permanent light installs to your business, we do have a partner program with PermTrack. If you'd like to utilize PermTrack for your permanent light installs, you can contact us in the info below in the description. I also have a school group. It's free to join. Pop on over in the link below, and we'll see you there for all the trainings here at the Live Lively studio. Remember to be grateful and live lively.